I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by lowering screen brightness to about 30% for immediate savings. Reduce screen timeout to 15 seconds to limit active display time. Turn off 5G and Wi-Fi when you do not need connectivity to save energy. Disable Bluetooth and NFC when idle for extra reductions. Enable dark mode to reduce OLED panel power use by up to 30%. These quick steps can extend daily runtime by several hours under moderate use. Open settings and enable adaptive battery to limit power for rarely used apps. Go to battery usage and restrict background activity for apps using more than 15%. Turn on power saving mode to reduce CPU speed and limit background sync. Set location mode to battery saving or allow location only while using the app. Disable always on display or schedule it to turn off at night to conserve extra power. For long-term battery health, avoid charging beyond 80% routinely. Try to keep battery levels between 20 and 80% when possible for longevity. Use official Samsung chargers and avoid frequent fast charging overnight to reduce stress. Remove thick cases during charging to reduce heat and keep device temperature below 35 degrees Celsius. Calibrate battery by letting it go to about 3% once every 3 months for accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.